What's good, Swanzy gang? You know the name is Swanzy. We back for another Mayhem Books. You feel me? Now look, as y'all saw by the thumbnail and title today, I might be telling you how to fix Frizzy's dress. My hair is up. You probably don't know which one it is. It's this one. I don't really have that much. I don't really have that much frizz in my hair and all that, but I found some frizz in this one, and I just wanted to tell you because I found a new way anyway. How to fix Frizzy's dress. And my voice sounded kind of a little raspy or whatever y'all want to call it. It's because I just woke up. I woke up way earlier than I usually do, and that's why this video is so short because I have a lot of stuff to do today. So I'm bringing out a little quick video today. Yeah, that's besides the point. I found a new way how to fix Frizzy dress. Like, and it's easy. It's not hard. It's super easy. All you need is water. You probably don't even need water to do this. Bro, I don't know why my voice sound. Alright, I'm just gonna talk because I'm not about to try to change the tone of my voice because, like, dude, it's too hard. Like, I can't. I'm trying. It's just too hard. But that's besides the point. Y'all not here for my voice, man. You're not here for the bed in the background, right? You're not here for the shirt somewhere or the jacket somewhere, right? You're here for the hair. The information I'm about to give y'all. Now look, before I hop into this, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, road to 20K. We on the way. And yeah, comment down more videos that you want me to do, and I got y'all for sure. I see every single comment. I like every single comment as long as it's positive. The negative ones I just ignore. So just know I'll see your comment and I'll give it a heart and I may do a video on it. But without further ado, let's just hop straight into this. Okay, so the dread is right here. Here go the dread. Y'all see it's all frizzy right there. I don't really have a lot of frizz. I think I said that earlier, but I found it in this one. So here it go, just like this. This is a lot of frizz. It may not be a lot to y'all, but bro, I don't really have as much frizz. So this is what you do. You grab the end of the dread, super quick, super easy. Grab the end of the dread. Make sure it's wet. I'm about to spray it. Hold on. I gotta really like. If you just did a retwist, no, it won't mess it up because you outside of here. But if it is frizz, well, you could do this for a whole dread retwist too. Like, you could wet the whole dread. It ain't gonna hurt if you wet the dread. Wet the dread and you go like this. Pull down the hair. It's because it's giving it some length. You see how much length it's giving it? It's giving it that much a little length, right? Now this is what you do. This is what you do. Put your hand like this and rub it in and then pull it. Wait, you know I twist with my left, right? Put your hand in like this and pull it like that with your thumb while you holding the end of it. Just like that. It's that simple. Put your hand in like that, like palm roll, like with this hand, like this, and then that's it. And when you transfer it, that's like when you twisting it a little bit, so just like that. So it's like you twist a little bit and then you, wait, hold on. Twist a little bit and then you put it in your hand like this. It's a motion like this. It's a motion like something like this. I don't know how to explain it. I gotta have the dread in my hand. Look in my hand. Palm roll it and then pull it with your thumb, twist. Palm roll it, put it in your thumb, twist. Now it should be rolling in your thumb too. Like that's making it tighter too. Straight like that. And then you can twist the end of it. And literally it's all gone. And you see I added some length to it. Straight like this. Here we go. I know this video is quick, but I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm gonna bring a video tomorrow for y'all, a lit video tomorrow. Y'all know I got y'all every single day now that we here. But yeah, that's how you fix Frizzy dress. You can do that for all your dreads. You can do it to the root. You can do it to the end of your dress, how I did mine at the end. It don't matter, but it fixes it. It literally fixes it and it stays. Like, trust me, it stays. Now, if you want to use gel, go ahead. I don't really prefer to use gel, but that's just my preference. If gel works best for you, go ahead and use the gel. But yeah, hopefully you liked the video. Don't forget to comment on more videos you want to see. I do see every single comment, so if you want me to do a video on this topic, I will try it out, and hopefully it will go good. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Road to 20K, we on the way. That's all I gotta say. What rhyme would say that I could say? Bars. Swanzy gang, I'm what? Swanzy gang and no gang. Wait, what is it? Oh yeah, Swanzy gang and no gang. We out. INDEPENDENT, baby, I know that you don't need me. Still, I can never see.